Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Being Guru Electrical channel. This is Mujib Raza with you with a news topic. Today we'll see how the thunder lightning is created and how it travels through the air. So before going to start the video, if you are new on the channel, so hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification by clicking the bell icon to receive the channel latest notification. So now let's start. So on the screen you can see this thunderbolt. So we will see how this thunder lightning is created here and then why it's traveled down to this point. So let's start. So what happens during the rainy season or when there are clouds? So inside the clouds there are small portion of charged clouds, let's say negatively charged. So as these clouds moves, these small groups of charges combined and it forms large group of charged clouds, like negatively charged clouds. So like this one group, there are more groups also, like more big groups, those are also negatively charged. And also there are also some positively charged clouds, because all cannot be negatively charged. So what happens during the movement of the clouds, when this part of the negatively charged clouds and this part of positively charged cloud come close, so it makes a spark. So what happened during this combination, the lightning is produced. So this is about the lighting when you see in the sky, because not all the time the lightning travel to the earth, most of the time it travels in the sky. So this is the phenomena of traveling of the electricity in the sky. Okay, so now let's see how the electric bolt travel to the earth from the sky. So what happens, these small negatively charged, it should be the same charge clouds combine and make a big streamer. This is called a streamer, and this streamer is capable of break down the air insulation value, which is 230 kV, 220 to 230 kV per mm. So this value is breakdown by this streamer. So what happens, this big streamers of negatively charged, what, like this is earth surface, negatively charged portion of the clouds become bigger and bigger when the cloud moves. At times come that this charge increase too much that it is capable of moving through this insulated air medium. So as this is negatively charged, so due to the capacitance effect, what happens is the earth is also a conductor. So when this is a negatively charged cloud, so it aligns it makes the earth positive, because the atoms in the earth surface align themselves, like the positive moves above and the negative moves down, because it is due to the attraction phenomena of the charges. Different charges attract each other and same charges repel each other. So this is negative, so it will attract the positive charges from the surface. So at times come when this negatively charged cloud or streamer, this is called streamer, it break down the air and it comes to the highest point of the earth. So like this, the thunder lightning is generated and transmitted from the streamer to the earth. This you can see, this is from within the sky, like one streamer of positive charge and one streamer of negative charge inside the clouds. They mix each other and they form this lightning spark. But sometimes there are like negatively charged clouds and it form very large streamer which is capable of going down through hundreds of kilometers to the earth's surface to discharge. So this is about the thunder lightning, how it is produced, how it's traveled to earth. So I hope you like the video. If you like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.